Okay. It is being recorded. Hello. Good morning, all of you. This is Rao's Institute of English from Chinnamadipalli, 31st Ward, Narspur, West Godavari district. My contact number is 9010868177. Join and speak English without fear. Now, there is a boy who studies 7th class with us. This boy is going to tell his past activities, what this boy did today. So, before this video, this boy told his regular activities, what he does every day. Now, in this video, this boy is going to tell his past activities. So, we can understand the difference in between past tense and present tense, how the words are changed. So, after watching this video, we know that there is a difference in between present tense and past tense, how the verbs are changed in present and past tense. So, we learn so many things from this video. Okay, I hope that you would watch this video carefully and learn some important points from this video. Let's get started. Hi, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, where are you from?
I am from Narspur, sir.
You are from Naspur. Okay, do you practice speaking English in Rao's Institute of English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you enjoy your holidays?
Yes, I am enjoying holidays.
You enjoy your summer holidays? Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. What do you learn in summer holidays now?
I learn spoken English and computer typing and drawing, sir.
Very good, very good. You don't waste your time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Nice, nice. That's great. Okay, now what do you want to tell? You want to tell any story or past activities?
Past activities, sir.
Okay. Now, weather is, how do you feel? Weather is cool or hot?
At
Do you feel
daytime, very hot, sir.
uh, evening? How do you feel in the evening?
In the evening,
It
lightly
is,
cool, sir.
it is a little cool.
Very lightly.
Okay, okay. Have you had your dinner?
No, sir.
Okay. After our conversation, will you take dinner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay. Now, tell me how you did, how you spent your time today,
Okay,
from
sir.
morning to evening. Yeah.
I woke up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
I brushed my teeth and took a bath.
Okay. Yeah.
My mother,
Right. Right.
my mother prepared breakfast.
Hmm.
I had my breakfast and attended the spoken English class.
Hmm.
I learned spoken English
Hmm.
at 11 a.m. I
I
returned
practice.
back to home.
I practiced spoken English
I practiced spoken English at
from 9
11 a.m.
o'clock to from 9
from 9
o'clock to
o'clock
11 o'clock.
to
Okay. Yeah.
at 11 o'clock. I returned back to home.
Who came? Your father came to institute to pick you up.
Yes, sir. My father came to institute to
Hmm.
pick me, sir.
To pick me up. Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
At 11:30 a.m. I
Hmm.
attended the
Hmm.
computer typing class.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm. How
At
much
12:30
time? Hmm.
at 12:30 p.m. I returned back to home.
Hmm. So, how much time did you practice computer?
1.5 hours, sir. I practiced 1.5 hours, sir.
Okay. Okay. 11 to 12. Right?
12:30.
Okay. After computer class, where did you go?
After computer class, I watched TV for some time.
Okay. You went home and watched TV.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
At 1 o'clock, I had my lunch.
Hmm. You had your dinner.
Lunch, sir.
Okay. Lunch. Lunch. At 1 o'clock, you had a lunch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who prepared? Your mother prepared lunch and served you.
Yes, sir. My mother prepared and served me, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm.
I went to playground
Ah.
to play cricket with my friends.
After lunch, did you take rest for some time or you didn't take rest?
I didn't take rest, sir.
Okay. Okay. After lunch, 1 o'clock, you went to playground.
1:30, sir.
1:30, you went to playground. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
At
How much
3:30
time?
p.m.
How much time did you play? From 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
3:30, sir.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. You played cricket.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
At 3:30 p.m., I returned back to
Yeah.
home and ready for the drawing class.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Hmm.
At 4 p.m., I
Hmm.
attended the drawing class.
Okay. Hmm.
At 5:30 p.m., I returned back to home.
Okay. You returned home.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
At 6 p.m., I
Hmm.
attended the tuition.
Okay. Yeah.
At 7:30 p.m., I returned back to home
Yeah.
and watched TV for some time.
Okay.
And my mother prepared a dinner
Hmm.
and served me.
Okay. Yeah.
I had my dinner and went to bed.
Okay. Okay. After dinner,
After dinner, I
I
went to
will
bed.
go to bed. I will go to bed.
I will go to bed.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Before this video, you told your regular activities. Now, in this video, you have told your past actions. Okay.
Other activity.
So, do you know the difference in between I wake up early, I woke up early? Do you understand this difference? Do you understand the difference in between present tense and past tense? I wake up.
Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand the difference in between present tense and past tense?
Yes, sir. I understand it, sir.
I understood.
I understood, sir.
I understood. See, I wake up early. Okay, it means regular activity. Present tense. I woke up early means which tense it is?
It is past tense, sir. I
Past.
woke up.
I woke up. I wake up present tense.
Present
Understand?
tense. Yes,
Uh,
sir.
yeah. So you understand how the verbs changed. Okay.
Yes.
It is very important. If we know the difference, okay, then we can speak English without mistakes. Understand?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
understand it.
Okay. I forgot your name. Please, once again, tell me your name.
My name is Arashwan, sir.
Yaswant, you told your fast actions. Well, really, it's a great thing. Okay, I am very happy. Now, we will make another video. Until, bye. See you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Okay.